Very good morning to all my dear children. Today in my video again I am going to teach you direct and indirect speech. Today's topic is to convert the interrogative sentences. Okay, there are two type of interrogative sentences. The first one is yes no sentence. Second one is a sentence beginning from WH words or the question words. In today's video, first I will teach you how to convert interrogative sentences beginning with helping verb or the modal verbs. So let us know the rules first. First rule is that if said or said to is there in the sentence, as it is always there, it converts to asked. Then we remove the inverted comma and add if or whether. Helping verb is MR converts into was or were. Has or have converts into had. Will converts into would. Can converts into could. And the subject of sentence comes before the helping verb. Okay. Now let me show you an example. She said to me, "Can you sing a song?" Now let me explain you first that first you must know what is the subject in the sentence and what is the object. Okay. So she is subject, me is the object. Then when we will convert the sentence, the first rule was said to changes into asked. She asked me. We removed the inverted commas, added if. You changes according to object. Object is me. So if I can changes into could sing a song. See, she asked me, she said to me changes into she asked me. Remove inverted commas, add if. Then can changes into could if I could sing a song. Okay. Now see the second sentence. She said to me, "Can I sing a song on the stage?" Now here I gave the pronoun you, it changed according to the object. Here the pronoun is I, it will change according to the subject, right? She said to me, "Can I sing a song on the stage?" She asked me, in place of inverted comma we added if. I according to object will be she, if she could sing a song on the stage. And if you follow the rule, you see can changes into could, right? Whenever the pronoun you is there here, it changes according to the object. And if the pronoun I or we are there, I or we changes according to the subject, right? Now see the second, some more examples. He said to me, "Are you singing a song?" Then again if you follow the rule, you will see he said to me changes into he asked me. If I is MR converts into was. If I was singing a song. My mother said to Sita, "Is he singing a song?" Then my mother asked Sita, in place of inverted comma we added if. He was singing a song. Now you are seeing that here the pronoun is he. If the pronoun is he, she or it, then these three pronouns do not change, they remain as it is. Okay. Now Rahul said to Reena, "Will you play in the evening?" Rahul asked Reena if she would, will changed into would play in the evening. Okay students. Now these were the sentences in which subject and object both the things were there. But there are sentences in which objects are not provided. Now let us see these type of examples. Anjali said, "Will you sing a song?" Now see, Anjali is the subject, object is missing, right? When we will convert it, Anjali asked me, we assumed the object. We assumed the object, me, he, she, anything we can assume, and accordingly we can change the sentence, right? So Anjali asked me if I would sing a song, will convert it into would, right? My father said, again object is not there, again we assumed. My father asked Ravi Ravi is my assumption. My father asked Ravi if you changed according to Ravi. Ravi is a boy, so if he could swim for an hour. My teacher said, have you completed your work? Then my teacher asked me if I had completed my work. Okay, students? Okay, hope you all must have understood the video. Thank you all. Okay, students, now I will teach you how to convert the second type of interrogative sentences into indirect speech. Now the second type of interrogative sentences are the sentences which start with a question word. Now what are question words? Question words are the words which start with WH, means what, where, when, why, whom, how. These all are question words. And the question sentences or the interrogative sentences which start with these type of words need to be followed some rules. Okay, we have to follow some rules to convert those type of sentences. Although almost all the rules are similar except one rule. You see, like said and said to converts to asked. Helping verb is MR converts to was were, has have converts to had, will converts to would, can converts to could. The only change in the sentence is what? To remove inverted commas. When we remove the inverted commas, we don't add anything, right? We write down directly the question word whichever is present in the sentence. What, when, where, whichever word is present in the sentence, we remove the inverted comma, write the WH word over there. We don't insert anything. Like helping verb sentences, we inserted if or whether. In these type of sentences, we don't insert anything. Okay. Now see the examples. The first one is Ravi said to Govind, how are you? Now you see that in these type of sentences, subject and object both are there. So said to converts to asked. Ravi asked Govind. The only difference is we removed the inverted comma, we did not add anything. We wrote the question word over here, how. And then you changed according to the object, he was. Okay, students. Again you see, in place of inverted comma, we did not add anything. We wrote the question word how as it is. Then you changed according to the object. Object is Govind, so it became he and are converted into was. Now see the second sentence. My mother said to me. My mother is the subject, me is the object. Where are you going? So my mother asked me. Removed the inverted comma, we wrote where as it is. Then are you changed into you changed according to the object. It became I was going. My mother asked me where I was going. Okay. The teacher said to the students, when will you learn? The teacher asked the students when they would learn. Will became would over here. The gardener said to the children, why are you plucking flowers? The gardener asked the children, why are you changed into? Children is plural, so we wrote they. And were, they were. Children is plural, so we wrote they, and as this is plural, we added were over here, plucking the flowers. Clear, students? Now let us see the examples which don't have the object. My teacher said. Now subject is there, but the object is not there. So what will happen? My teacher said, what will you bring tomorrow? We added the object, or we assumed the object. My teacher said became to my teacher asked. What came as it is? I assumed here as myself. My teacher asked me what I would bring the next day. If the object is not given, you can assume the object and continue to convert the sentence. The gardener said, how are you watering the plants? The gardener asked me, I added the object. how I was watering the plants. Okay students, I hope that you all might have understood everything, how to convert the interrogative sentences into indirect speech. So thank you all of you.